Hi, welcome to Crash Course Student Edition. Today we're going to talk about wagon trails, the most important topic that you'll need to know for the rest of your life.
Mrs. Green, what is a wagon train?
Good question, India. The wagon train was a group of wagons used for immigration to the west by settlers. The most famous wagon trails include the Santa Fe Trail, behind me, and the Oregon Trail. These wagons were predominantly used during this time and were at the peak of their development.
The reason why pioneers used wagon trains was because it was safer and less dangerous to travel west.
The wagon trains were used on two trails, the Santa Fe and the Oregon Trail. The Santa Fe Trail went from Franklin, Missouri, all the way to present-day New Mexico and was used as a way to improve trade relations between Mexico and the United States. The Oregon Trail, however, went from Independence, Missouri to the Oregon country and was used as a way to find new lands so that they can farm and settle there.
In 1821, William Becknell pioneered the Santa Fe Trail.
The trails were dangerous. Many people died from accidents, weather-related incidents, diseases, Native American attacks, dehydration, exhaustion, and starvation.
The Sierra Mountains were a great hardship as well. One party that especially dealt with these hardships was the Donner Party. The leaders of the Donner Party included Jacob Donner. The Donner Party was a group of families that basically went through this uncharted territory because they were trying to take a shortcut. But while going through that shortcut, they ended up getting stuck in the Sierra Mountains due to heavy snowfall. And because they didn't have any more food and they ran out of all the necessary supplies, they had to resort to cannibalism as a way of survival.
It's time for the open letter and mystery document.
Oh, look, it's the open letter. Dear friend, I am sorry to say that I am leaving. My family believes it to be best that we go somewhere better for our religion. We have heard of a place with glorious rivers. The California Trail is what we are taking to travel. As you most likely know, we are moving west along with many others. My family couldn't take living here anymore once Joseph Smith was murdered in 1844. The plan has been to leave since then. I could not believe it to be true that people are attacking others like me. My family and others want to practice our religion in peace. Moving west is the best solution. I wish for you the best, and I bid you farewell. Yours truly, Ammon Brigham. Now it's time for a quote. My father, with tears in his eyes, tried to smile as another friend gasped in his hand in a lost farewell. Mama was overcome with grief. At last, we were all in the wagons. The rivers cracked in their whips. The oxen moved slowly forward, and the long journey had begun. This is by Virginia Reed, the daughter of James Reed.
The people looking for God, glory, and gold traveled on these trails. Mormons, also known as the Latter-day Saints, were people who traveled for religious freedom and escape the ongoing persecution. Brigham Young suggested that they travel west. Believing that the Rocky Mountains would be safer, the Mormons headed to the west until they arrived in the valley of the Great Salt Lake. Many Mormons took the California Trail.
Pioneers that were traveling thousands of miles west needed supplies, guides, and wagons so they could make their journey. Wagon trains were formed to reduce the dangerous journey westward. A defense mechanism used was when the wagon trains were close together, it could use as protection against Indians and wild animals.
The most popular wagon used was the Canoga wagon, but the smaller and lighter option, the Prairie Schooner, was much more suitable for the west trip.
There are many causes of needing wagon trails. Pioneers were in search of gold and farmland. They would be able to transport items easier due to the Transcontinental Railroad, which was a trainway that connected the U.S. from east to west. There are also many effects of the wagon trails. Over 300,000 people traveled on these trails to get to the new lands. 30,000 of these people died from conflicts with Native Americans, which were rare. Weather-related incidents, diseases, weaknesses, and drowning in rivers. Also, gunshots. Mormons and other religions were able to practice freely without persecution.